In this video, we're taking a look at how to download course materials from Google Classroom using a phone app. So I'm on the Android version right here. I'm gonna jump into this course here at the top, and I always like looking at classwork from the classwork page, or classwork tab, so I'm gonna tap that down at the bottom. And let me open up this resource here. You can see I have a few PDF files and a video here. Let's try downloading a PDF. I opened this one, and as you can see from the get-go, there's really not much there's nothing to download the button, or there's no download button here. So the only thing we do have is this open in Drive icon. Let's tap that. And indeed, with the Drive app installed on the phone, it opens there. Let's hit the three-dot menu. We scroll down until we see download. We can tap download, and we can see up at the top that a download has begun. And after a moment, if I jump over to my downloads folder, you can see, yeah, this is the recent date right here. Here is the material downloaded offline. The process is a little bit different when it comes to, what do you call these, Google Docs. Because if you have the Google Docs or the Google Sheets app or Google Slides installed, it will open up in that particular app, and it looks a little different from Google Drive. So this course overview is in Google Docs. So when I tap it, we end up with the same predicament where we don't have a download button, but we're going to tap that open in Drive icon at the top right. And we're in Google Drive. We hit the three-dot menu. And this is where it gets a little bit, how can I say, unintuitive. We're going to go to Share and Export, open that menu. And I've not had much luck with Save As an immediate download. Save As basically will allow you to save it in a different format, maybe Word document or PDF, and it will save it to My Drive. So it will be saved into Google Drive. So that means you produce an extra step of going to Google Drive and downloading like we did the other one there. There is a way I've found that's a little bit faster. I don't know if this works on all phones, but hey, it works on mine. Otherwise, you can just do Save As, like I said, and get it from Google Drive. The print option actually works pretty nicely because one of the default print options is Save as PDF. So if you're fine with saving the Word document, or the Google Docs document rather, as a PDF instead of Word document, this might be a good place to start. So you can see I've got it. If you do have printers actually connected in to your phone, cloud printers and whatnot, you might have to find Save as PDF up here in this menu. But otherwise, we're just gonna tap this yellow PDF icon, and it asks where we want to save it. Let's save it in that same download folder where the other document was downloaded. And if I go back there again, we will see that, yep, we've got both of those downloaded, ready for offline use. That's all I got today, and I hope this helps you get to your coursework and get it downloaded offline on your phone. Cheers.